Picture this, you're out in the wilderness, birds go silent, and from the shadows emerges a beast that vanished from Earth over 10,000 years ago. No, this isn't sci-fi. This isn't a reboot of Jurassic Park. This is happening right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Star Lab Talks. I'm Ranjit and today story will make your jaw drop. It's about mystery, extinction and science playing God. Because guess what? Scientists have officially brought back the dire wolf. Yeah, the dire wolf, the massive legendary predator from the Ice Age, reborn using cutting-edge genetic technology. It's not just DNA in a petri dishes anymore. We are talking about living, breathing creatures, walking proof that extinction might no longer mean forever. And if we can bring back a predator from the Ice Age, what about something more recent? Something people still claim to see in the wild. Something like Tasmanian tiger, known officially as the Thylacine. The Tasmanian tiger was a sleek, dog-like marsupial with tiger stripes on its back and jaws that could open wider than a wolf. It was the apex predator of Tasmania. Until humans showed up in the 1800s, farmers feared them. The government paid to have them hunted. Habitat disappeared. Disease spread. And by 1936, the last known Thylacine, Benjamin, died in captivity. The world went silent. But now, with the resurrection of the dire wolf making headlines, scientists are turning their faces to their Thylacine. And let me tell you, it's not a question of if anymore, it's a matter of when. So, today we are diving into the science, the controversy and the wild possibilities. Could we really bring that Tasmanian tiger back from extinction? What does it mean for nature, for us, for the future? Buckle up folks, this one gonna be epic. And just like that, the Tasmanian tiger was declared extinct, gone. Another ghost added to the pages of history. But here's the twist. This isn't where the story ends. In fact, it might just be where it begins. Fast forward today, and there is a company, Colossal Bioscience, that's flipping the extinction script. Their mission, bring the Thylacine back from the dead. Yep, for real. And they have not messing around. Using advanced genetic engineering, they have already reconstructed 99.9% of the Thylacine's genome. That's nearly the entire genetic blueprint of an animal that hasn't walked the earth since 1936. And you won't believe what helped make it possible. An actual Thylacine head preserved in ethanol for over 100 years. It's like a biological time capsule, giving scientists insights into how the animal moved, smelled, saw and even tasted. Crazy, right? But here's where the things go from wild to mind-blowing. Since we don't have a living Thylacine to work from, they turn to its closest living cousin, a tiny mouse-sized marsupial called the fat-tailed donut. Sounds cute, right? It is. But it's also now the most genetically edited animal cells on the planet. Over 300 precise edits have been made to start transforming it step by step into something that resembles the Thylacine. And this project is about way more than just bringing back a cool extinct creature. The real mission is ecological restoration. See, without the Thylacine, Tasmania's ecosystem have tipped out of balance. Herbivores like kangaroos have overrun certain areas, chewing through a native plants and altering the environment. By bringing back this apex predator, scientists hope to hit nature's reset button. It's like reintroducing the missing piece of a puzzle and watching the whole picture fall into place. But that raises some big questions, huge ones. What happens if the thylacine can't adapt to today's world? Is it ethical to bring a species back after all this time? Are we doing this because we should or because we can? Still imagine it. Thylacines in the wild again, restored ecosystems, a second chance not just for one species but for the balance of an entire environment. And if we can do this, what's next? The woolly mammoth? The doo-doo? Could we actually start reversing some of the damage we have done to our planet? One thing's for sure, the story of the Tasmanian tiger isn't over. Not by a long shot, and with science charging forward at light speed, we just might see this stripped legend roaming the forest again within our lifetime. But now I want to hear from you. Should we bring back extinct animals? Or are some things better left in the past? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. I'm seriously curious what you think. Hey, if you enjoyed this journey through time, tech and tigers, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Star Lab Talks and join me next time as we dive into more of the mind-blowing wonders of science. This is Ranjit signing off. Stay curious, stay wild and never stop asking questions.